Imagine stumbling upon a relic from 12,000 years ago that not only tells a story of survival, but also hints at humanity's oldest conflicts. This is exactly what researchers have uncovered in Southeast Asia, a discovery so profound that it challenges our understanding of early human behavior and societal dynamics. But here's where it gets controversial. Was this an isolated incident of violence? Or does it signify something deeper about our ancestors' lives? In a groundbreaking study led by Dr. Christopher Stimpson, an expert affiliated with the Natural History Museum London and Oxford University Museum of Natural History, evidence has emerged pointing to what could be the earliest known instance of human conflict in Southeast Asia. The find came to light during excavations in northern Vietnam, specifically within the breathtaking limestone karst formations of the Trang An UNESCO World Heritage Site. Within a cave named Thung Bin 1, archaeologists unearthed the remains of a man who lived approximately 12 millennia ago. This ancient individual suffered a fatal injury to his neck, inflicted by a quartz-tipped projectile. What makes this discovery even more fascinating is how the details unfolded. Through meticulous reconstruction and analysis conducted by Dr. Alex Wilshaw from Liverpool John Moores University, researchers determined that the man was around 35 years old at the time of his death and stood roughly 1.7 meters tall, a fairly average height for someone from that era. His skeletal structure showed no signs of chronic illness, suggesting he had been healthy prior to his untimely demise. The true mystery lies in the nature of his injury. A sharp object, likely the quartz point found alongside the damaged cervical rib, pierced his neck with enough force to fracture the bone. Yet, death did not come instantly. Instead, the wound became infected, leading to a slow and painful decline over weeks or possibly months. According to Dr. Benjamin Utting, a lithic specialist from the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History who worked closely on the excavation, the quartz point is particularly intriguing because it doesn't resemble any other stone tools recovered from Thung Bin 1 or surrounding areas. Who crafted this tool? Where did it originate? Utting asks, sparking questions about whether this artifact might represent contact between different groups or cultures. Dr. Stimpson, who oversaw the recovery of the skeleton, emphasizes the rarity of such a well-preserved find in Southeast Asia. Discovering a skeleton of this age and in such remarkable condition is incredibly uncommon in this region, he explains. The pristine preservation allowed scientists to conduct detailed analyses, including testing models of biological affinity. Collaborators from the Lundbeck Foundation Geogenetics Center in Copenhagen were able to extract mitochondrial DNA, marking the oldest sample ever recovered from Vietnam. These findings reveal the strong connection to early hunter-gatherer populations across South and Southeast Asia, adding significant depth to the limited existing knowledge about these groups. But the most surprising aspect of the discovery? The combination of the injured cervical rib and the quartz point. While cervical ribs are rare anomalies in humans, finding one associated with trauma and the very weapon that caused it is unprecedented for both the region and the late Pleistocene period. This revelation provides a rare glimpse into interpersonal violence among prehistoric communities, shedding light on their social complexities and interactions. Co-author Dr. Huen T. Mai Hyung of the Institute of Archaeology in Hanoi describes the implications beautifully. This discovery offers us a rare and intimate look into the lives of late Pleistocene hunter-gatherers in Southeast Asia. It invites us to reconsider what we thought we knew about ancient societies, their relationships, struggles, and perhaps even their motivations. Published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B. This research adds another layer to our understanding of humanity's past. However, It also leaves room for debate. Did this man's death result from intergroup warfare, personal vendettas, or something else entirely? And this is the part most people miss. How do modern interpretations of ancient violence shape our views of human evolution? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think this discovery reveals more about cooperation or conflict in early human societies? For those eager to dive deeper, the full study can be accessed via DOI, https://doi.org/10.198. Meanwhile, the Natural History Museum continues its mission to uncover Earth's secrets, seeking support to expand its facilities and inspire future generations of advocates for the planet.